Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can protect your content in your WordPress website. So for example, here you can see I have a blogging website. Now I want to enable content protection on this website. So let me go and install a new plugin. Now here you can see this one. Click on add plugin and then search for content copy protection, and you will get multiple plugins. You can try one by one, and these plugins are free, so but you can also upgrade, and if you want to use more features. And now we need to activate this plugin. Click on activate button. Okay, now plugin is activated. Now let's see how it works. So let's go to plugin settings, then scroll down. So content protection will be enabled in post content. You can also enable on home page. Okay, after that you can click on save settings. Then you can reload this page. And now if I try to copy any content, then here you can see we got message content is protected.